Hi, Crafty Angels, and Nessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today, I'm here to share a project that I did with Mrs. GIGi on her channel yesterday, Wednesday, October 6th. And we do a prompt game, and we usually try to do 1 or 2 rounds, but sometimes we have time enough for 3. These are my projects. Here's all the prompts that we done. Okay. Here's round 2. And let me see if I can remember. This is round 1. Okay. No, this one's round 1. This is round 2. And this is round 3. So, what we did here was circles, lace, fabric, washi tape, which I painted black. We painted a moon, I think, here. There was Q-tip or washi tape, which I used the washi tape, postage stamp, and lace, and painting paper at the bottom here. Okay, now for round 2, we did scribbles, painted with my fingers. Music paper. I outlined all my lines in here. Blue, which is my music paper, is blue. And then underneath here is a little bitty calendar piece. So that was a prompt for that one. Prompts for this one was use a stencil, which is the where you see all the outlines. Use a marker. I use a what they call it, one of those paint pens or markers to outline everything. Red is right here. Ink, I use ink everywhere. Crayon, I went around the circles here from my stencil with a crayon. Yarn or yellow, which I used a bright neon yellow, and it's not showing right on the screen. So, and then I used my owl for my bird. Okay, so these are the 3 projects that I done with Mrs. GIGi on Wednesday, October 6th on her channel. We do this twice a week. Once on her channel on Wednesday mornings at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And on my channel on Thursdays for Scrap It Thursday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, please be blessed, be crafty, be safe, be caring, love and hugs. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, bye-bye for now. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Bye-bye.